I have found the perfect little accessory to add some beauty and relaxation to any room. I'm Sarah with WTI, and this desktop waterfall fountain would be perfect for your office, sitting room, or entryway. This was so easy to set up right out of the box. All I had to do was plug in a few wires, set my rocks in place, and fill it with water, and it was ready to roll. I like that you can maneuver the rocks in any way that you please, which means that when you find a pretty rock while you're on your daily walk, you can add it to your fountain. I love that it's extremely silent. You can't even hear the motor running. And I like the pretty lighting feature. It just adds a little something extra to the experience. We've had this fountain in our entryway of our home for about a month, running constantly, and it shows no signs of slowing down. Everything still runs as smoothly as the day I took it out of the box. So if you're looking for a low-maintenance way to add some beauty and ambiance to your home or office, then I think you should check out this desktop waterfall fountain. And that's my point of view.